Welcome back to another review, and today I am going to be doing an unboxing of the Monster Jam RC Mega Gravedigger Powerful All-Terrain Remote Control. Look how big this monster truck is! Drive over obstacles. Authentic replica. Improved performance. 4 plusties from Hasbro. Here's the back. Lightweight construction for ultimate performance. Let's open it up.
Murray guarded by Karl-Anthony Towns. Murray in the mini and knocks down another one. Yeah, he's found his rhythm tonight. Already with 8 points.
Nice job that time, Denver. They see Jokic get doubled on the catch. They get it out around the horn to the other side, and then Jamal Murray gets the mismatch with a big one.
3 for 3. Comes off. Karl-Anthony Towns battling. Harris to the court, and Murray surveys on the break. Alexander Walker picked him up. One more to the corner. Holiday down another 3. He was the bright light in that terrible performance on Monday night.
He's capable of doing that. It was nice delivered by Michael Porter Jr. The bounce pass. The only way to get that ball to the corner. Great delivery.
Here's Anderson. Alexander Walker, another one. That one's strong. And there's going to be a foul there against Aaron Holiday. Pardon me, Justin Holiday. At least I didn't say Drew Holiday. I really lost that. Or Billy Holiday. Yeah, Billy Holiday. Yeah. Didn't know Holiday for Denver so far in the series as Reggie Jackson steps into the ball game for the Nuggets. Remember, he sprained his ankle and hopped his way to the locker room. At one point during game 2, Murray comes out.
T-Wolves have a big advantage, obviously, in the bench. They just got more guys that get more production and more shots, more minutes. So anything you can get out of Denver's bench offensively, the bonus, I think Reggie Jackson is the one guy you can look at and say he can operate under these kinds of defensive conditions for Minnesota.
30 seconds to go in the period. Here's Edwards.
Here's the monster trucks out of the box.
Scores with 1.5 to go. Jokic 1 for 4 from the field. The ball knocked out of bounds. And that's going to do it for the first 12 minutes.
Here's the instructions.
This is Denver's largest lead of the series. Karl-Anthony Towns knocking down consecutive threes to start the game. But Jamal Murray with 8 points to the Nuggets. They've gotten off to a much better start.
Contents: 1 Mega Gravedigger, 1 controller, 1 instruction guide. How to install batteries. How to connect the controller, directional controller. How to correct wheel engagement. And here's the pamphlet. And afforded LED indicators. Now let's get the remote control out. Here's the remote control.
I'm Malika Andrews. Let's take a look at tonight's Fast Break brought to you by Advil Liquid Gel. The Knicks and the Pacers. Let's pick this up with 2 minutes to go here in the fourth. Josh Hart comes up with the steal, but look at this. Miles with the block on the layup attempt there. Turner, the clutch defensive stop. The Pacers get a crucial win. The second quarter in Minnesota is next.
When it comes to your powered up system. But if you want to get things done, start with the capability of Ford F-150. Gas, power boost hybrid, or all electric. Power is yours.
Of course it's not good in the big guy.
Get their crazy ball out here and get 6 months of Disney Bundle on them. It's all good. That's right, stream on the go with 6 months of Disney Bundle on us. All your favorite content from Hulu, Disney Plus, and ESPN Plus is all yours. And watch it all on your Galaxy S24 Plus, also on us. Only on Verizon.
It's time for tonight's Access brought to you by Brooks. I'm here with Michael Porter Jr. Coach Ramon told us that he wanted to make sure that you guys had a better start in this one, really throwing the first punch. How would you assess the first
Huh.
They're too good of a team to play from behind, so we're going to come out and win the rest of the show.
And defensively, such a great start for you guys, dominant on the inside defensively, but they had a couple of open looks towards the end of that quarter. How can you get back on track in there?
It's going to take 48 minutes to beat the team. We're just going to execute offensively.
Maybe the Bears are dead.
Murray sprays it out to the baseline. Holiday knocks down another long J. He's got 6.
Even that. Great play by Jamal Murray to take that ball from the left wing under intense pressure and escape along the baseline to find a shooter on the opposite side.
Reed has that layup roll out. And Murray with brevity into the front court. Off the Gordon screen. Towns was in a drop, and Murray drops the long jumper. 14-point lead for the Nuggets, their largest of the game and of the series. In the middle of a 17-4 run right now. That's going to be a foul against Aaron Gordon.
And Jamal Murray, we talk about how he's feeling different tonight. He's got more bounce. His job right now is to make sure that screen was set, to get some opportunity to find space at the three-point line. And once you see a couple layups, that three ball, the basket looks a little bit bigger when you rise up for that jumper.
Speaking of that ball looking really good through the bumper. Carlton Towns with his third three ball of the game in the lead at 11. Alexander Walker picking up Murray, but Brown will bring it across. Michael Malone this year has had several different players initiate. Gordon with the ball, one of them. Alexander Walker stayed down on the fake. Couple of Canadians going head to head. That's going to be short. Alexander Walker got the stop, and that's going to be a foul on Porter Jr. Side out of bounds.
And I think Jamal Murray, and that was late in the clock, it's not a map for success. So you go 1-on-1 against Walker Alexander, Anthony Edwards, Jaden McDaniels, 1-on-1 operating with the back to the basket against
Wow.
Are you videotaping it? Yeah, videotape so everybody can see.
The other batteries are dead for some reason. Oh, it got stuck. Oh, there it goes.
We'll go to the free throw line again.
Take it outside tomorrow. So if I really like this monster truck, if I really like this mega monster trucks, if I really like this mega monster trucks RC. It's probably the coolest thing ever. I never talk about how toys do. Now, once again, I had to say I like these toys, but I never talk about more. Now, can you please have more of these in the collection? I bet it is. Now, this can be worse when you put things together by one far to another. And this remote control is crazy. So that's what it is. Thanks for watching Boston and Monster Trucks. Thanks for watching the Monster Jam, RC Mega, Gravedigger, all powerful all-terrain remote control. Bye.